before the fall. Right there. Oh yeah, we want to take the green.
Where are we?
We're at top of Reunion Lift. So you see where McCoy is? That bowl where we were at?
Larkspur, McCoy? Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then Reunion at the bottom of McCoy. Reunion Lift. It's like 26, I think. Where they're pointing, yeah.
Yeah, I see it. So like next to the 1.5.
So you want to take the green little traverse thing all the way to Birds of Prey. Or you could do the long green traverse all the way to the base.
Yeah.
Remember? Yeah.
I like the idea of taking Larkspur. So we could get around.
Going up at the bottom, you'll see the lift.
The Larkspur?
Bolts lift, and to the side of
Yeah.
How do we get there?
It's like Expressway, I think that's what it's called.
Beaver Creek Expressway, yeah.
Yeah, Expressway. Or, you know where Bino's cabin is?
Oh, the BC Expressway right there?
What?
You said Expressway, no?
Oh no, the trail's called Expressway.
Yeah. You take that? Oh, instead of Larkspur.
Oh, Beaver Creek Mountain Expressway.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
You could do that or Larkspur.
Or Larkspur. But we still have to go down that way.
We have
To
to
where,
get towards it.
yeah, where the picnic table is.
Well, that's easy.
And then you could go all the way down Dali, or you could take Birds of Prey back to the top and then do a longer run down.
I'm gonna start heading back down. It's my
Okay.
2 left, last. Whatever it is.
2 more skip the left?
2 more skip the last. So you guys can feel free to keep going.
Okay.
That knock on my head.
Front rows, the whistle is.
Well, we all have to go that way together.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm recording.
Larkspur.
Some people are gonna go back to base. I'm going to Birds of Prey.
What's that?
It's another lift that goes back to the top.
To where?
To the top, over there, where like. You see where we are, right? You know where we are on the map?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, there's the 3 lifts right there. Larkspur, number 9, chair 9, Birds of Prey. Yeah. You're doing Birds of Prey, right?
Huh?
So Devin wants to go back to base,
Okay.
and I want to go on Birds of Prey.
Okay. Birds of Prey? Yeah.
How about you?
What's the Birds of Prey?
It goes back to the top, where we were this morning.
Okay.
Yeah? Alright.
Alright.
Let's go. To the right. See that? The jump. The jump.